Well, sullen skies certainly in order today, and some sorely needed showers as well. But it wasn't just the wet, it was the wintry today. Waking up to a little winter wonderland in the highest elevation south of Buffalo. Made it up to 42 for a top temp today after a low of 38. Not a big spread there because of those sullen skies and because of the wet weather. But boy, like I said, we really needed to put a dent in the precipitation deficit, and we did. Nearly 2/3 of an inch of rain in Buffalo. More than that off to the north and east. The Falls had about 0.8 of an inch of rain, and again, it wasn't the wet, but mainly the wintry into the higher ground, especially above 1,500 feet. Allegheny County scored more than 5 inches of snow in some cases. Warsaw, you had about 3 inches, and here in Buffalo, we still have yet to see our first trace of snowfall. The latest recorded trace on record back on November 22nd, 1985. Well, guess what? We're going to get to midnight here soon, and we're going to put a big old goose egg in the snowfall column here for today in Buffalo, which means that we are talking about what is the latest first trace yet to be recorded. Isolated shower threats for tomorrow, and again, if we do add a rogue snow flurry, it means you barely get 1/10 of an inch in some of the high spots going into later tonight and early tomorrow. Now, I want to give you a heads up that as we head towards the time frame surrounding Thanksgiving and beyond, I think we're looking at temperatures that are going to be well below the average, and in fact, we might even be looking at our first flakes of snow here in Buffalo at that time. We'll show you more about that in the Super 7-day forecast. 40 degrees the temperature right now, still with that northerly breeze, kind of cuts right through you. We're at 32 in Olean in terms of the feel-like temperature when you add that wind out of the north. So definitely feeling the part of the latter part of November. 2 areas of low pressure kind of swirling about here, doing a delicate dance, and those waves of wetness continue in some cases, especially on the Lake Ontario shoreline, picking up on some spotty light rain, even maybe a little rogue flurry there into parts of Cattaraugus County. As we head into tomorrow, some scattered showers, the breeze more northwesterly, and temperatures largely into the low 40s. Again, you could pick up on a rogue snow flurry. Sunday's probably the better of the 2 weekend days, but still with lots of clouds. Might get a sneak peek of the sun if we're lucky. Tonight, showers scattered about, and again, maybe a little additional snow coating on some hilltops. Tomorrow in Lockport, you're at 45 for a high, 45 in Albion with plenty of clouds, maybe a shower in Attica, 41. 41 in Depew as well. 39 should do it for a top temp in Jamestown. Have a look at your Super 7-day forecast, and yeah, like I said, Sunday's probably the drier of the 2 weekend days, but it's still going to be rather cloudy. Some showers to start early next week. Then the trend is downhill in the temperature department through Thanksgiving. I'm calling it a case of cold turkey with maybe even a few snow flurries.